To replace your double tap lighting cup holder, these are the tools you will need. First, disconnect the power from the recliner. Then remove the cup holder and set aside. Using the No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver or electric drill, remove the 3 screws around the cup holder ring. Then tip the seat forward to access the bottom of the base. Along the back side of the base, you will need to remove the black mesh. This will allow you to gain access to the wiring. Using pliers or a staple removal tool, remove the staples. Then flip the black mesh to the side so you can gain access to the wiring. Pull out the T connector using the cables already in the opening. Then, disconnect the cup holder ring wire from the T connector and tip the seat back upright. Use a flathead screwdriver to help pry out the old ring and wire. Install the new ring by feeding the cable, ensuring the wire heads to the back of the recliner. You can use the fish tape to feed it back to the hole created in the base fabric. Tip the seat forward again to access the bottom of the base. And reach in and retrieve the connector for the cup holder ring. Plug in the connector to the open end of the T connector. Then feed the wires and connectors back into the open space. With a staple gun, staple the black mesh back to the edge of the wooden frame of the bottom of the chair. You can now tip the seat back upright. Using your No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver or electric drill, screw back in the 3 screws around the cup holder ring. Place the cup holder back into the ring. Reconnect the power to the recliner. Now confirm that the cup holder is receiving power by cycling through the light options. Double tap with 2 fingers on the inside of the cup holder. Following these steps ensures a smooth and successful replacement of your double tap lighting cup holder.